Hello, today we are going to analyze Lululemon. Last Friday there was a big move after the announcement of the CEO leaving the company. Fundamentally, it has a lot of headwinds. It's an expensive product and there are a lot of competition. Economy is not supporting it. Just a quick note, I'll be using several indicators, charts, and everything in this analysis that are explained in detail in my web-based training. I'm going to put this link in the bottom, and this web-based training has a lot of modules that builds on top of each other, and whatever I'm discussing plus a lot more. This is a monthly chart of Lululemon, so each bar represents 1 month, and notice that it has a nice support from where it is bouncing. TTM is also changing from red to yellow. I'm flipping it into weekly chart and drawing a fib between 516 to 159, and that will help us to get an idea of what is the likely price move next. About 240 is the next fib level, so right now it's 204, not bad. It can go to 240, and the weekly also the TTM is in sync. The daily chart gets much interesting, and notice it that the yellow line that you're seeing is the 200-day moving average, and we are below 200-day moving average, and the 50-day, which is the light blue, is below 200-day moving average. So the likely move next is up to 230, and it's never a good idea to buy and hold a position for long term, at least if the price is below 200-day moving average and the 50-day is below 200-day moving average. And that's also called a death cross that happened a while back. Yes, there is some momentum here, and it is also looking good to head towards 230. And look at the market profile. There is a selling tail. So the first level it has to break is the high of yesterday. Until then, if it cannot do it, then it's going towards a gap fill. The ideal trade would be a butterfly January 200, 220 or 230. Somewhere in this level you can take a trade for paying about $6. But for a long term, I would not suggest this position. So just to get back to my training videos, so this is just actually a web-based training, and it's even priced quite a low that anybody who has some little bit of time and an interest can become a much better trader, and I would solidly suggest that please check it out. As far as Lulu is concerned, it is a good trade for a short term, but on a long term you need to wait. Take care.